range. He's got about 7 centimeters in reach and height on Ahmetov. So it's hard for Ahmetov to get in close to strike. As long as he keeps that jab active and moving.
Ahmetov doing a 3-punch combination, nothing landing. Kick to the body, that landed. 2 submission specialists, all stand up thus far. Kick just under the chin. And the crowd vocalizing their support for Qazaq Ahmetov. And kick over the top, waist cinch. Trying to put the Greco in play, but then Ahmetov eats a knee, still hits the takedown.
This is the position that's won Ahmetov so many contests as he gets in the top position, controls his opponents, and imposes his will.
Ahmetov stepping in with the knee.
No grab the fence.
Big takedown.
No grab the fence.
Getting below the hips. Started to work out of half butterfly to Moraes. Saw the advantage to push off and explode up. Call for action from Olivier Coste. Moraes on his bicycle, you see the lateral movement, big kick to the body.
Action!
Coste trying to spur on the fighters, and it worked. Ahmetov hitting the takedown in the half butterfly guard from Moraes.
Each of these fighters, they look so much bigger than their flyweight limit. These guys are big, so the weight cut has got to be taken into consideration as well.
Who will emerge with the gold? The challenger Qazaq Ahmetov or the champion Adriano Moraes? It is so tight in this fight.
Takedown by Ahmetov.
Elevated with the legs, the bell, and the end of the fight.
What a tremendous contest for the flyweight world title. We've got both fighters being carried around the ring, both corners very positive that their fighter has done enough to take home the gold.
And we have a new champion. An elation from Qazaq Ahmetov. A huge victory. The biggest fight of his life, and there is the win.